Welcome to your food diet. Still you didn't subscribe our channel? Kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notification. Today we are going to prepare dum biryani in Hyderabad style. This dum biryani is so flavorful and good aroma and better in taste than our normal biryani or pulao. Just so colorful. Let's start how to prepare it. Take a flat bottom vessel and pour 8 cups of water and add 2 bay leaves and 3 cinnamon and then 3 ilachi, then 1 anise seeds and then 3 to 4 cloves to it. Then add 20 minutes soaked 1 cup of basmati rice. And add 2 teaspoons of oil to it and a salt. Don't cook the rice completely and take it before it boiled completely, and this is the correct stage. Then take a pan, add 4 teaspoons of oil to it, then a teaspoon of ghee to it, then add 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon, 1 ilachi, 2 cloves and then 1 teaspoon of jeera to it. Then add 1 big onion and saute it well. Then add 1 green chilli and 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell goes off. 1 chopped potato, then 1 cup of green peas, then add a 2 teaspoon of Kashmir red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala, then a pinch of turmeric powder to it, 4 tablespoons curd to it, then 5 teaspoons of green chutney, that is coriander and mint chutney to it. Mix well and add a salt as per your taste. Then add 2 cups of water to it. Then cook for 10 minutes until your vegetables are done. At last add paneer cubes to it. Here I had 100 grams of paneer. Now take the flat bottom vessel. First initially place the gravy part at the bottom, then add the cooked rice over it, then add fried onions to it, then sprinkle some mint and coriander leaves and add some saffron water over it. Again you can repeat the process from the beginning. First gravy, then rice, then fried onions and sprinkle the coriander and mint leaves and saffron water to it. Add a teaspoon of ghee over it and cover the lid and cook for 5 minutes. Tasty, superb dum biryani is ready now. Tempting me to have a quick bite. Cooked well and looks so good and even tastes good. Don't worry about the taste, it will be going to be awesome. Try at your home and enjoy. If you like this video, subscribe our channel.